Hi there, so this is just a quick update video to my channel so I can personally follow my stats as I go along. I may be able to look back at this in the future and see where I am. Right now I'm actually working on my tools wall behind me. As you can see, I've got some tools mounted down here and I'm just working through that right now. There will be a video coming out on that, but I'm not going to go through how I fixed every single tool. What I will do is I will finish the wall and there'll be a video on that in the future. Yesterday I filmed a video on some Ryobi tools. As you can see, I've been buying Ryobi stuff. I've committed down the road of going with Ryobi. I also have the new jigsaw that they brought out. I'll do a quick video on that as well soon. So currently at the minute I have only 7 videos online on my channel and I'm at about 175 subscribers. So I'd like to thank every one of you for watching my videos. If you're a subscriber and you're watching this, it means you're one of my more committed subscribers because this video is not going to be promoted anywhere. And yeah, I'd just like to thank everyone for watching my videos and just use this video as a place to post your comments on video ideas, what you'd like to see, and I'll get back to you. Let's get a bit of a conversation going on in the comment section. And the next video coming up on this weekend is going to be a woodworking video where I'm going to be using my CNC over here, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. So thanks for watching and I will see you on the weekend.